Hello guys, in the last video we have seen the 10 by 10 or like matrix kind of pattern we have seen there. Now in this video we are going to see like which one get triangle related, left triangle related pattern we are going to see. Right. Write a Java program to display, to print or to display the following pattern. What about this pattern? Now I want to provide this. First of all, single star. Next one is which one? 2 stars. Next one is 3 stars. Next one is 4 stars. Next one is 5 stars. Next one is 6 stars. Next one is 7 stars. Next one is 8 stars. Next one is 9 stars. And next one is which one? 10 stars. Like this. In this way here we want to display the pattern. First of all, we will see this pattern. Then after that, we'll go for in the same pattern displaying numbers in a horizontal mode and vertical mode, and in the same pattern displaying which one they know, ABCDs and like ABCDs no, letters no. So all these things here we are going to see in the same example. Now let me prepare this one, but observe this, analyze this program here, analyze this pattern no. These are which one here? Rows. How many number of rows are available here no? Overall 10 rows are available. So in the first row 1 value, that means column value would be 1, but in the first row 1 time and column value is also 1. In the second row 2 stars here we have to display. In the third row 3 stars here we have to display. That means in the first row 1 column, in the second row 2 columns, in the third row 3 columns, in the fourth row 4 columns. Means that number of columns is equal to number of elements in a row that we have to display. That means number of rows is equal to number of columns in a particular row. So because of that reason, what exactly the implementation here I am telling there. So 10 number of rows here we have to take. If you want to take 10 number of rows here, what we have to do? Outer loop I need to take which one? 10 rows into I is equal to 1 semicolon I less than or equal to 10 semicolon I plus plus. This is which one number of rows here that we displayed now. Good. Observe this clearly. Number of rows here we are able to provide 10 number of rows here. But at each and every row, how many columns here we need to display? That number of columns is nothing but which one here? Row number. Row number is nothing but which one? Number of columns at each and every row. So that's why I need to take nested loop here. Now for int j is equal to 1. That's fine. Next one is how many columns here we want to maintain at each and every row. That is same as which one here? No, number of, that means row number here. That's why j less than or equal to I. Row number is maintained in the form of which one here? No, I only. Why? Because that I is maintaining which one here? No, index value of this rows. Row number is maintained in the form of I. That's why here we have to take j less than or equal to I here. Next one is which one there? No, j plus plus. That's fine. Now here inside this, first of all I want to display directly which one here? No, stars I want to display. Right. So now let me display the stars here. No. If I click on this run button here, we are able to get the same pattern. 1 minute sir. Now here at each and every row I need to keep that new line character. If you want to go for this new line character, we have to use which one? SOP statement. Let us run this example here. Here we are able to get 1 minute sir. Yes, where is the problem here? Right, exactly. Now the problem is this one. Print method. We need to provide print and println method difference here. We have to provide. This is print method here. Now try to observe this clearly. Good. Now here we are getting values directly. So this is first row 1 column, second row 2 stars, third row 3 stars, fourth row 4 stars, fifth row 5 stars, sixth row 6 stars, seventh row 7 stars, eighth row 8 stars, ninth row 9 stars, and 10th row 10 stars here. That means row number is equal to number of stars. Means that what exactly the I value is available here, that many number of times that nested for loop has to be executed. Then only we are able to get such type of pattern. Here, that's why here I provided the conditional expression like j less than or equal to which one? I here I provided. Now here while displaying stars here we have to use print method, and while might be changing the column one row after displaying the respective column in respect to stars in the row, then we have to bring the cursor to the next column. That's why here we have used which one? System.out.println like this here. Now we can provide some space also clearly. Now /t if we provide there, automatically here we are able to get spaces, much stated spaces here we are getting. Like this here we are getting there. Understand it clearly? Okay, fine. Now if you want to, if you don't want to provide that much of space here, now here if you want to provide only a bit space, just only 2 taps of space here if you want to provide there. Now click on this one, here we are able to get like this with a bit spaces here we are able to get. Now the same kind of thing here we are getting. Okay, fine. In the same pattern I want to display which one here? Numbers. First of all here what I want to display there? 1. Next one is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like these numbers here I want to display now. Right, so now that's why then what exactly the pattern here we want to display the next example in the same thing. Now first of all I want to display, next one is which one? 1, 2, next one is which one? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We want to display them. That is my requirement. So in the same pattern, we want to display the numbers here. So for the purpose here, what we have to do there, right sir. Now here I want to use which one here? In place of this star representation, I want to display which one here? Directly J value. J values are repeated. For every I value, J value is repeated there, no? That's why here we have to display J value. And provide which one can no? And space also be here, we have to provide here. Slash here we can provide space now. If we provide space here, we are able to get output with the spaces here. Observe carefully now. First of all 1, next one is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Up to which one here no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 here we are getting now. It's okay. Now these numbers here we are getting in horizontal mode, but the same thing I want to get in vertical mode. That numbers I want to provide in vertical mode. That means 1 to 10 now. Next one is which one? 2 to 10. Next one is 3 to 10. Next one is 4 to 10. Next one is 5 to 10. 6 to 10. 7 to 10. 8 to 10. 9 to 10 and 10 only. Like this here I want to provide here. If you want to provide such kind of things now, here what we have to do there, in place of displaying this I value, here we have, in place of displaying J value, we have to display which value there no? I value here we are able to get. If we display I value here, then what is going on there now? 1 now. Next one is which one here? 2, 2, 2. Next one is 3, 3, 3. Next one is which one? 4, 4, 4, 4. Like this. Here we are able to get some values. Let us check this here output now. Now here 1 now. 2, 2 here. That means if you observe this column wise here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10, 2, 10 and 3, 10 and 4 to 10, 5 to 10. Like this here we are getting output like this. In the same pattern, if you want to provide which one here now? Yes, that means A, B, ABC, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, like this, rows wise. That means which pattern here we want to display there. If you want to display A and A, B, A, B, C, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and G, H, and A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. If you want to provide this type of pattern in the form of this A, B, C, D is now, that similar logic here. What about this logic here? Similar logic now. In place of this I display now, then what I want to do there? First of all, I need to prepare ASCII value. 64 plus J. 64 plus J in the sense, J value started from which one here now? 1 now. 64 plus 1 now, 65. 65 is the ASCII value for which one? Capital E. Like this here, we need to display that values here. Then automatically here, what we are able to get there? Now first of all A, next one is which one? AB, next one is ABC, next one is ABCD. Like this here, this type same pattern here we are able to get directly. Now let us run this example here directly, but here we need to be typecast. We have to perform which one? Typecasting. What about this typecasting here now? Char we have to provide. If you provide this character here we are able to get our required output. Now observe this carefully. Now A, AB, ABC, ABCD, ABCD, E, ABCD, F, and so on. The same output here we are getting directly. This is what exactly the patterns here we are able to identify. Right, so next one in the same example, in the same output here, what I am expecting here. Now my next one is which one here? Now I want to display A, BB, CCC, DDD 4 times and E 5 times, F like 6 times, G 7 times, H 8 times, I 9 times, J 10 times. Like this. If you want to display the same thing here, now in the same example here, what I will do now, in place of this J, I will provide which one? I. That's it. I. That means, and outer loop values here, if you are displaying there, automatically we are able to get the same type of pattern. Now let us check this here clearly. No, A. Next one is which one? BB. Next one is which one? CCC. Next one is which one? DDT. Next one is which one? EE. Next one is which one? FFF, and so on. Like this here we are getting our required output like this. This is exactly that another pattern here what we provided about this which one here no, that the respective content here. Hello guys, in the last video we have seen a pattern related to left triangular. That pattern we have seen where we displayed stars and we displayed numbers and we displayed letters and all. So now in this video we are going to see exactly the reverse pattern of the previous one, left triangle, reverse. Just I will show that. So write a Java program to display the following pattern. Right, what about this pattern here we are going to be provided here? First of all, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Next one is which one? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Next one is 8 stars. Next one is a 7 stars. Next one is a 6 stars. Next one is a 5 stars. Next one is a 4. Next one is a 3. Next one is 2. Next one is 1. That means the same left triangle in a reverse form, in a turn off form. Just I want to provide this logic here. Observe this, analyze it now. Now tell me how many rows here we have to take. How many rows here we have to take? The number of rows are which one here? No, 10 rows only. So outer loop is very same. Now outer loop here we have to provide like which one here? For int I is equal to 1 semicolon I less than or equal to 10 semicolon I plus plus. It's okay. Now this is representing which one? Row by row, 10 rows here it able to represent. But here the point is which one? At the first row, we have to represent how many stars here now? 10 stars here we have to represent. In the second row we have to represent 9. In the third row we have to represent which one here now? Directly like which one here? 7. In the next row 6 stars. In the next row like this now. So what is the meaning of it here now? In the first row we have to represent which one? 10. In the second row here we have to represent which one here now? 9 now. Means that what is the meaning of it now? Number of stars is equal to number of rows minus 1. Number of stars is equal to number of rows plus 1 minus 1. Okay, I will give that logic here. So now here what I will do there, for int j is equal to 1 onwards we have to start here. But condition must be which one here now? J less than or equal to which one here? What we have to provide there? 11 minus I. 11 minus I. We need to provide this. Why I am taking 11 now? In the first row I need to take which one here now? 10 stars I need to display. So as per the logic, if I take 11 minus I value is which one? Initially 1 now. 11 minus I is which one here? 10 now. That means in the first row here we are able to display which one? 10 times here, that values here, that 10 stars here we are able to display. Next one is which one then? J plus plus. Okay, fine. Next one is which one? In the first row like 10 stars here we have to display. In the next row is which one here? J is equal to which one there? No, 2. And 2 minus 11 minus I. 11 minus I is which one? That means it is going on. 10 stars here we displayed there. Next one I plus plus. I plus plus value is which one? I value 2. I value 2 in the sense J less than or equal to which one can know? 11 minus I. 11 minus is which one? And 2. That means 9. In the next row 9 stars here we are able to get. Next row I value is which one? 3. That means 11 minus I. 8 rows. 8 stars here we are able to display. So finally at each and every row when we display 10 stars here in one row, in the next line 9 only. Why? Because minus I we provided now. Every time 1 is reduced here, finally we are able to get our required stars now. Now sys not outed println of just I want to provide which one here? Stars directly. Let us execute this clearly now. If you run this example here, no sir, what we have to do there? Now here we have to provide print statement. Now here we have to provide which one then? Println. Why? Because row by row we have to come to the next line here. So here we have to provide like this. Now observe carefully. Now the required pattern here we are getting there. And if you want to provide spaces here, a bit spaces here if you want to provide, now here we can use which one there? No, directly /t. If you provide there, tab space here we provided. Now here we are able to get output like this here. That's it. Now this is exactly that reverse form here we are getting there. Or else might be if you don't want to use that many number of spaces, that just I want to provide which one there? No, and plus two spaces here I want to provide. That's okay. If we come for it now, exactly example here we are getting. This is about our pattern here clearly now. Now in the same example here, what I want to show there, in the same pattern I want to include numbers here. Now my next requirement is which one? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Next one is which one there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then what next one here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Next one is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next one is 1 2 3 4 5. Next one is 1 2 3 4. Next one is 1 2 3. Next one is 1 2. Next one is 1. That's it. This is what exactly the pattern here we are able to provide. This pattern here we have to provide here. That means numbers I want to include there. Numbers in the sense which one can know? Just 10 rows here we have to manage. It's okay. But at each row J values we have to display or not. The column values are which one here? J values only. J values here we have to display. Nested values here we have to display now. Now inside this here what we have to do there? Then simply here in place of this star here I want to display which one? J values now. J values if we display there, automatically we are able to get the same output here we are getting there. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Next one is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Like this here we are getting up to which one there? 1 is the values here we are getting. This is horizontally we displayed the values. Now I want to display the same numbers in vertical manner. If I want to display the same thing in vertical manner here, what we have to do there? That means here what exactly the pattern here I am expecting now. Now my pattern is which one here? One like 1. How many times here I want to display ones here now? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Right, so now next one is like this. Then after that, after completion of it, next one is under 10. That's it. This is a pattern here I want to display there. This is which one can know. In the same example, instead of displaying J value, if we display I value, we are able to get the same values here directly now. After this pattern here we are able to get the same thing. Right, sir. In vertical manner we are displaying the data 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 up to 9 1 2 8 1 to 7 1 to 6 1 to 5 1 to 4. Like this here we are getting them. That's fine. Now here ABCDs here I want to display there. If you want to display ABCDs there, then what we have to do there? Same logic. Now first of all here we have to provide 64 plus J value here if you provide. Now that I want to perform which one? Typecasting. That means in a horizontal mode we are able to display A2 and J. Here we are able to display that in horizontal mode. This is which one here? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. A, B, A to I and A to H and A to G and A to F and A to E and A to D, A to C, A to B. Okay, next one is which one? A. That's okay. Now this is about clearly which one they know. The content here. That means ABCDs. In the same way, now this is a pattern here we provided. Up to now here what we provided here? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J. We provided this. In the next row here what we provided there no. This one here we provided. In the next row here what we required here no. No, this one here we provided. In the next row here what we provided here. This one. In the next row here what we provided here no. This one. In the next row this one. And in the next row here what we provided? A, B, C, D. That's one. Next one is which one there? ABC. Next one is which one here? AB. We provided this. Finally here what we are getting there? A. So this pattern already I shown there clearly. Now already we provided this one, just a 64 plus J. If we display that J values here plus a 64, here we are able to get the same pattern here now. But what about my next requirement here? My next requirement is same pattern, but now ABCDs I want to display in horizontal mode here. That means what I want to display there? 10 times here I want to display there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, now here 10 times here I want to display there. Next one is which one there? No, b's values here we have to provide like this. Next one is up to this, right sir, like this. Then after that like this, then after that f values here we have to provide like this. G's, H, I and J. This pattern here I want to display. If you want to get this particular pattern here, what we have to do there? Simply in place of displaying J values, no, I want to display I values. That's enough. In place of displaying J values, if we display I values, no, the same output here we are able to get in the same example here. No. Observe this clearly. Now here we are getting A, B, C, D, F, H, I, J, A, B, A to I and A to H and A to G. Next one is A to F. Next one is A to E and A to D and A to C and A to B and A, like this. The same pattern here we are getting there. Whatever the pattern here we are expecting. So this is the reverse pattern of which one here? No, left triangle. Left triangle reverse pattern here we provided directly. Okay.